the fire. Remember when we were young, breaking every rule they made. I never changed what we done. It made us who we are today. I'm taking every chance I get to make it so you won't forget who we are, who we are. It's what we started. It's what we started. They can't hold us down. They'll never be, never be, never be, never be us.
Greetings, everyone, with Ray Ferraro down near the ice. Eddie Olczyk getting some ice cream, but he's back alongside. This is Mike Emery. Tonight, we bring you two teams that are bound to be entertaining. And as we approach game time, here's Eddie.
Two teams that have two well-crafted game plans, but once the puck drops, anything can happen, Doc, as we've seen in the past. I believe the key to this game is who stays to their game plan will win this game.
The teams are ready, and so are we. You cut it a little close, didn't you? But you're here, and so are we. Eddie Olczyk, Ray Ferraro, and me, Mike Emery. Game just started. Good centering pass to the slot. Takes that pass up the boards. Pinpoint pass up that right wing. Lets it go. He can't find the target.
From that position on the ice, he's got to hit the net. Make the goalie make a save.
Gives it over to the point. Shoots one. Wonderful save on a terrific scoring chance. Everything stops except the opinion of this man, Ray Ferraro.
The statistics tell us if you can get the first goal or the jump in the game, you're going to be able to carry the pace most of the time. That initial goal will be key.
Always appreciate hearing what's going on down there, Ray. Lin Choping's carrying it in their own zone. Gets in, and he'll look over his options. Great poke check. Mora's carrying through along the boards. He can start some danger here. Has it picked up. Lin Choping's controlling the play at center ice. Around through the corner right now. Mora's in their own end, continuing on. Gets in, looks over his options here. Looks from the corner. Right to the point. Point blast! Terrific grab with the glove. Solid defensive position there. Lets a shot go. Good shot, but a better save. Lin Choping's been assessed a minor penalty. 2 minutes, and the call is tripping.
He's got great stick positioning. Stick is on the ice, but unfortunately takes the skates out from under him.
And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. Quick work on the faceoff.
For tripping, time of the penalty, 9 minutes, 30 seconds.
Mora's lugging it through the center ice area. Lets it go. Got that in the trapper.
What a glove save. He showed him the glove and he took it away.
Puck free. Directing that one to Bailey. And that's icing.
Gustafson's going to be able to make that save all day. His positioning is perfect. It's not a difficult scoring chance.
Good job on the draw. Snapping a pass to Bailey. Nicely into the zone. Great job on a cut pass. Shoots it off a body. Lin Choping survived it. Back even.
I guess we know what they're going to be doing in practice tomorrow. Get on the power play. That was an abysmal effort on the power play.
Great stick save. Looks ahead to start something. Directed on. Score!
In order to have puck support like that, you got to move your feet. Move the puck, move yourself, and you're going to be rewarded with a goal.
Oh, he's done everything he can here. This is a desperation move. The puck is almost into an open net, yet look how close he makes it.
So he played a while in this period, and finally a goal.
I was hoping, Doc, that we were going to get that first one.
Solid win at center ice. Now what?
Number 23, assisted by number
Mora's continuing along the Herculane.
Time of the goal, 13 minutes, 23 seconds.
Puck loose, denied by the defense. Gets in. What'll he do? Trying for it. Just wide.
What an outstanding look, but he just missed the net.
Oh, how can they miss that pass? Mora's trying to get it going along the boards. Looking from the corner. Puck loose, now picked up. Lin Choping's in possession as they travel up the wing. Flings it. Wonderful save with a pad. Knifing his way near the boards. Shoots. Save. And we get a penalty here. The referee strides over to hand it out. Lin Choping's got 2 on this one for tripping.
This is an easy call for the official, Doc. Player made no attempt to play the puck and just tripped up the attacking player.
Mora's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. They win the draw.
2 minutes for tripping.
Wrist shot.
Penalty, 18 minutes.
Lin Choping's got it in their own end, hoping for center. Nearing the final minute. Mora's in control of the puck in neutral ice. He throws it there. Oh, lightning quick and a terrific save. Into the end of attack. A shot. Great glove save.
There was some room. Not enough. Great glove save.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Nice face-off work. Two sticks together, it goes to the offense. Lin Xiaoping's working it along the boards. Has a chance to make a play through the corner. He scores! Just before the period ends.
You get this close to the goaltender, the puck on your stick, you got to snap it quick.
I don't know how he can be in much better position, Eddie. I got a clean look at this. That is a perfectly placed shot.
Neutralized face-off win.
Scored shorthanded by number 23.
Puts one on. And he missed it.
I don't see too many guys getting away with blocking that shot. That thing had some heat on it.
And the first period ends. A pair of pucks entered the net in that period, both from the same set of sticks. It's 2-0.
Hey fans, time for our parachute drop. If you'd like to join our inside...
Lin Xiaoping's two-goal lead came late in the period, and it was on this brilliant play. We'll return after these words.
Or even a locker room tour. Membership is free, so what are you waiting for? Join our Insiders Club today.
Underway in period 2. Lin Xiaoping's done a wonderful job of penalty killing, and so we're back even.
This is when coaches get really frustrated. The players are on the ice. They've worked on this power play multiple times.
Oh, what a chance, what a save. Bumped, loses it. Wonderful stop.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Fires and off target with that one.
Man, you wait all game for a chance like that, and unfortunately for him, it clunked into the corner.
Has it in his own end. Good job holding that one in. Lin Xiaoping's continuing on in their own end. Stick handling up the wing. He takes that pass right off the left wing. And that one went offside. We're just under 5 minutes have passed. 2 goals have been scored, both by one team. And he steps in. Nicely received at the point. Shoots one. Wonderful save. Picks it up back there. It's an onside play. Corral. Snaps a wrister. Gives it to the point. Wonderful chance was set up, and the pass just goes wide. Mora's moving it up the wing. Loose puck did not go very well there. And he picks it up. Shoots one. Great save. He covers and holds on.
Gustafson's presence of mind to continue to battle and never give up keeps this puck out of the net.
Clean win on the draw. To Roy. gains the zone. Good place to shoot from, and he does. And the pickup. Mora's up the wing, controlling play now. Puck out of play over the glass, so another face-off coming up, because they can't play it where it landed. And they've won the face-off. Nicely into the zone. Front of the net. Shoots one. Save. Ooh, and a dangerous pass from the goaltender. Should have held on to that one, but he didn't get burned. Puck loose. Couldn't get through. And this is his drop back. He's going back to get organized. Takes it and looks. And possession has changed. Brilliant move on that pass. Fires a shot. That's a great save. I was watching for sticks to go up. No celebration this time. Goalie out of the net. Puck on his stick. Goes back deep for it. Trying to keep it wedged along the boards. Great, what a reaction save.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Stood up there. Moved along and in. Hammers one. Perfectly on his stick in that pass from the left wing.
1 minute left.
Big drive. There's a shot that's way wide. I'm sure he meant well.
I know that shot had a lot of heat on it, but if you put a soccer net there, it wouldn't have hit it.
Lets it go. Just wide of the post. Shot. Wonderful save. What skill by both goalie and shooter. And this period is over. Wow.
Hey kids, don't forget if you're a member of our rookie team, you'll have the opportunity to have a couple of our players sign autographs after the game.
Gustafson's been magnificent between the pipes. Here's an example as we head to break. Third period about to begin. The rear view mirror will help us with the first two, and so will Edzo.
Mora's coaching staff, Doc, has to be pretty pleased the way they played through the first 40 minutes of play. One area of concern has been their offense. They need to take advantage of all the time of possession and finally put the puck into the back of the net.
Robbery there.
Choping's really taken the air out of the game defensively, Doc. Their goaltender hasn't had much to do, but he stopped the shots that he's had to.
Fires! Not there!
I know that shot just missed the net, but that thing was moving.
A backhand shot. A wonderful scoring chance denied. Got to clear it. Lin Choping's moving the puck up the wing. Wrist shot. Oh, and he robbed him. And it's a good pickup. Up the wing, still with possession and with hope. Save! Play is stopped, and now we'll hear the call. Lin Choping's only going to get 2 minutes on this call, but it was tripping.
Oh, this is clearly a tripping call. He made no attempt to play the puck and took the legs out from the attacking player. The power play is all about adjustments. They need to find a way to get more people and pucks to the net.
I sure agree, Eddie. We're expecting the save.
Time of the penalty. 4 minutes.
Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near it.
Gustafson's seen a lot of rubber tonight. His team defensively hasn't helped him out very much, but he's turned aside almost every...
Sticked away. Lin Pings in their own end, lugging it along. Big chance here. Mora's in their own end, hoping to make a play to center. Lin Pings in their own end, carrying it on. Blocked away. Driving down the wing at center. Lets it go. Solid glove save. Mora's in their own end and shifting gears. Still time on this power play, but not much. Lin Ping's gotten back even. Penalty kill.
Well, they've got control of the game right now. It's very easy to let your opponent back in the game by taking penalties. They killed that one off. They don't need to take anymore.
Good job in canceling out that icing. He's going to skate it on back now. Into the attacking end. And he missed the net.
Good thing that didn't hit the net. That thing was moving quick.
Shoot. Mora's finding its way to center ice. Good shooting place. Lin Ping's carrying it in the defensive zone. Up the wing, making some headway. Lin Ping's got it in the defensive zone. He's got that one. You couldn't diagram it better on a chalkboard. Perfect pass. Breakaway. Mora's in possession and moving up the wing. Shoots. Not through. Whistle blown. Play stopped. The referee will hand out a penalty. Lin Ping's given a minor here for tripping.
No, this is a tough call. He was trying to play the puck, but he tripped up the attacking player.
There is hope with every man advantage, even if your percentage is poor. Are you listening? Good face-off win. He can't find the target.
When the puck sounds hard when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chances handed away.
Terrific glove save. Down to rinkside we go yet again. Ray, what you thinking?
Gustafson's been incredibly stable tonight. Any chance that's come his way, he's snuffed it out. He's given his team so much confidence. That's a championship performance tonight. Can't ask for much more than what we're seeing right here.
No, you're right, Ray. Eddie and I agree. It's just another one in a long line of tremendous performances by him. Under 6 minutes remaining, 2 goals have been scored, both by one team. Defensive zone win. Mora's in possession now as they move up the wing. Gains the zone and looks over his options. That one is pointed to him. Hammered. Great glove save. Marvelous save. No time on that one.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you got to find a way to put the puck in the net.
Waits with it. Tips it back with a blast. Pressure mounting here. Past the blue line. Dishes it back. And he gets it back. Mora's power play has ended. They need to practice this thing. Masterful save of an overwhelming one-time shot. Lets it go. Got a piece of it with the glove. Glides across. Taken over again. Slid to Billins. Puck picked up here. Puck covered, whistle blown.
Linköping's fans got back on their feet after watching the replay of that massive save on the big board. I don't think we're going to see a bigger save than that the rest of the night.
An enormous defensive face-off win. We are in the 60th minute out of 60. All right, he's going to the bench. Roll the dice. A good cut of the pass. They can keep the pressure on. Got it at the point. He scores!
He had a lot of time and space there to let that wicked shot go from far out. That is a heavyweight shot.
Eddie, he just can't catch up to this. That is a rocket that beats him cleanly.
Mora's deficit is only one because of that last goal. Let's see if they can tie it up here in the third. Neutral zone face-off one. Possession established here.
Assisted by number 32.
Points it. There he goes, net empty. Let's take a chance here, they're saying. Score! And this game is not over. It's tied.
You want to score goals, you've got to get to this area of the ice.
Edzo, I never thought they were going to be able to get themselves back into this contest. The road looked too far just a short time ago.
This next face-off is the largest one this game has seen. Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? He gets that pass ahead in stride. Good hand to eye, and the reach of the stick. Mora's carrying on up the wing. Onside. Lets a shot go. Score!
No hesitation at all. He fired home that wrist shot.
The butterflies become a default position for the goaltender, Edzo, and while the shot is nice, he's down in that butterfly position way too quickly.
Mora's broken the tie here in the third period. Let's see what happens before time expires. They've won the faceoff. Gains the blue line. Swept on to Ellerby.
Time of the goal, 19 minutes, 44 seconds.
The clock is at zeros. The game is over. You look at the score sheet at the end of this game, and it's a marvel. Score was close. Shots on goal were not.
Well, I know who's buying dinner for the goaltender tonight.
Terrific contest. Two teams gave their very best. See you next time.